It has arrived or is almost there. Leaks pertaining to the DJI Mavic 4 Pro have surfaced, and it appears like DJI is planning a huge announcement. With a redesigned, major camera enhancements, and a rumored 90-degree gimbal tilt, this could be the drone that changes the game. If you enjoy flying and filming, this is one to look forward to. Let's go over what we've learned so far, because the Mavic 4 Pro could be on its way soon. The first thing that jumps out, the design overhaul. According to leaked images shared by insiders like Jasper Ellens and Osita LV, the Mavic 4 Pro breaks away from its predecessors with a redesigned gimbal housing and circular body frame. Noticeably missing are the familiar forward-facing obstacle avoidance sensors. Whether they've been relocated or replaced remains a mystery, but it certainly hints that DJI is aiming for more than just a facelift. There's also buzz around rear navigation lights, giving this drone a futuristic vibe, but what really caught our attention was the rumored 90-degree gimbal tilt capability, a feature that could open up new creative possibilities for photographers and filmmakers. Imagine shooting straight up under bridges, towers, or trees. This is going to change how we think about drone videography. DJI seems to be pushing hard into professional territory with some serious camera enhancements. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature triple camera sensors, possibly Sony Leia technology with dual native ISO. This setup could deliver 4K at 60 FPS and HDR at 100 FPS, offering incredible dynamic range and crisp footage even in low light. The long telephoto lens could see a 48-megapixel quad-Bayer sensor, providing stunning clarity at range. And if rumors about 6K video capability hold true, this drone won't just capture moments, it will elevate them. With this leap specs, DJI seems determined to blur the line between traditional full-frame cameras and drone cameras, potentially making this a must-have tool for high-end photographers and cinematographers. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come packed with AI-powered autonomous flight features that take obstacle avoidance to a whole new level. 6 180-deg fisheye sensors will give it all-around awareness, allowing for smarter tracking, more efficient flight paths, and improved obstacle avoidance. These AI upgrades could make flying easier than ever, even for beginners, while experienced pilots will benefit from smoother flight control during complex maneuvers. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or executing tricky aerial shots, the Mavic 4 Pro seems poised to deliver precision on autopilot. According to the leaks, the Mavic 4 Pro will also pack a 6,400 mAh 99-watt battery, delivering up to 50 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions and hover times of up to 60 minutes. That's a significant boost from the Mavic 3 Pro's battery life. If DJI also integrates new motor efficiencies, we might see better performance across various flight modes, meaning more time in the air, less downtime charging. With this improvement, long flights for landscape photography or extended inspections become a reality. When will we finally get our hands on the Mavic 4 Pro? The leaks suggest that DJI may release it before the end of 2024, likely to avoid any complications from the potential US ban on Chinese tech, but other sources hint at a 2025 release, possibly in April. With the drone launching at $2,199 for the base model, a more comprehensive Fly More bundle could reach as high as $2,999, catering to power users and professionals. Given DJI's recent lineup of releases, like the DJI Neo and the Osmo Action 5 Pro, there's no doubt the company has something exciting in store. It seems like the Mavic 4 Pro will be the crown jewel of this year's drone offerings. All in all, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a drone that breaks new ground in both design and functionality. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for the best aerial shots, a filmmaker pushing creative boundaries, or a professional needing a reliable tool for the job, this drone could be the answer to all your needs. With so many upgrades packed into one sleek high-tech package, it's no wonder the drone community is buzzing with excitement. Let us know what feature you're most hyped for in the comments below.